I looked at the search engine and I saw that there are tons of people, a lot of folks that are looking for how to make money online fast, quick, something like that. And that got me thinking and wondering that I understand we all need money and I understand every one of us wants it quick and fast. But the way we are going about these things, a lot of people would get into trouble. A friend shared recently of her own ordeal with a platform where she was told to invest this amount of money, send in some amount, and she'll be refunded money into her account. I think it should be in dollars or so. And funny enough, this girl sent out her own money, and the money in dollars never came. When she sent an email to the company or whatever body that is, I'll try to look for the name of the platform and put it down here. And it should be like a note of warning to everybody. I'll put it out here. And the platform said she has to add up some more money that is now a quota for her to read before she can withdraw her money in dollars. Her own money she could not refund back. The dollar she was expecting to come in never came in. And I would like to tell you, if you are also in that platform that you've been searching for how to make money online fast, quick, overnight, I'll tell you the truth. Any path, any pathway that gives you that quick money fast, like in seconds that, or what we're all expecting that they say, click this platform, this website, you're going to get money online. I don't know how it doesn't, I don't know, but the legit way it doesn't work. So, but if you are a type that wants to make money online, we know it's quick, but not as fast as the way people are expecting and entering trouble. I'll still share with you that there are some of the way trusted way I know that people make money online. And I also have some of them firsthand. Number one, you can go with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. If you don't know what marketing is, please search online for what affiliate marketing is. You can do affiliate marketing, put your link in any of the social media platform. That works. Number two, you can sell digital products. You can go from selling ebooks. And in fact, I'm on that journey. I want to put myself in a, I want to shock myself. I want to put myself in a state where I'm able to produce ebooks. I've never done it before, but I want to put myself and shock myself, and that is for me. So you can sell ebooks, you can sell e-guide, you can sell artwork, digital products. And that you don't even need to have so much money to do that. Canva is a free app that can help you do that. You can create your ebook there and sell that way. Number next is through content creation. Content creation is being on social media, either IG, YouTube, or any other platform. That is also another way to make money online. Why I'm so particular about content creation is that people feel making money, especially on YouTube, they expect that when they come on YouTube, they go viral and they start making money or things like that. Don't enter YouTube or coming to content creation with the wrong mindset. Don't come with I just want to be famous. If you are famous, the fact that you are famous or well known on YouTube might not be that you are earning money. Like if you see, there are some people that are on YouTube, but they are just either dancing and doing some things that no, dancing is not wrong, but it's not like they are a dancer. They are just busy. They just want to be famous, want to be seen, but they are unable to monetize that skill. You see, it's two ways. So that means they will only depend on YouTube monetization. But here, I'm here to let you know that I hope you are not in that kind of people. You are not one of those people. So, because if you are one of them, this video is not for you. The kind of people I expect to be here is that even if they have a social media platform out there, their other aim is also to monetize aside that platform, is to use that social media platform as a brand awareness, a way to showcase your skills and your talent, to build your business, to build your brand. When I talk about business, when I say, okay, I'm in the, maybe like I'm an HR or I'm an office person. No, you can also build it. Whether you're on LinkedIn or any other platform, this can be built. So making this money online, these are the legit ways I know how to make money online. If I find any other platform, not all these bring 1,000, get 1 million. In fact, anytime I see something like that, I can even block the person because most times some of those links are just fraudulent links. So if it's a pathway where you don't even understand, if somebody tells you this is how to make money online and it's not workable, it's not understandable, please, why are you there? So I've mentioned the ways that you can make money online. So please do well to watch other of my videos where I've talked about making money online and how any money on YouTube changed my life, changed my business idea, changed my abundance mindset of how I see social media. Social media is a tool, is a global stage that can put you on the same platform with everybody. No politics, nothing, no begging for anything. You don't need any godfather in anything. Social media, and you'll be doing just well. The only goal is stay consistent. Nothing good happens overnight. Just like all these trees, they were planted and they didn't grow overnight. And that is how it is. That's how money is too. Even if you're starting now, it's not going to suddenly, the surge is not just going to happen overnight and you planted today and you are seeing the harvest today. That's what people want. People want to plant today and see the harvest today. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. So please do well to use the description box, the link in the description box. There's one that links to my French course if you like to learn French, and there's another one that links to templates that can help you make money online if you are in the virtual assistant space, or to even help put system in whatever you are doing. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on that video. Bye for now. Over. 6. Yeah.